the leetcode question 230, that is kth smallest element in a binary search tree. Given the root of a binary search tree and an integer k, return the kth smallest value, one index of all the values of nodes in the tree. So we are given a binary search tree. As we know the properties of binary search tree, the root of the binary search tree, to its left lies all the values which are less than the root node, and to the right of the root lies all the nodes whose value is greater than the root node. So we have to return the kth smallest value of all the value of nodes in the tree. So we are going to solve this problem in big of 1 space complexity, and the time complexity is going to be same as big of n. And for solving it in big of 1 space complexity, you would be using a count which would keep the track of the kth element. So first we know that it could be solved easily with the help of the vector which would store the in-order traversal. So in place of storing it, first we would reach the leftmost node of the tree. That is, here in this example, as there is no left, so first we would start from 2. So from 2, we want to find we would start from 1, sorry. So when you would start from 1, so count is going to be 1. So count is going to be 1, and 1 is equal to k. K here is equal to 1, so we have to return that root value, and no need to search for the right part. So first our idea is to traverse the leftmost part of the root. Then during the backtracking process we have to increase the count, and if the count value is equal to k, then we have to return. And if there is nothing we can found, if there is no root, we have to return. We have to make a new root, new user defined function named as solve, which we would see further. So I would like to show another example. Here is another example of the question in which here k is given as 3, and the output first, this is the root, and we have to reach the leftmost node of the root. So this is 1. With the help of the recursive steps, we would reach at leftmost part. Then during the backtracking, we would check or increment the count value, and we would check when k equal to 3. So from here to here, when we come, the ct is equal to 1, then ct equal to 2, and at this level ct would become 3. So during this step, there would be answer would be 3, and we have to return directly 3. So output is 3. So let us see the code of the question. Here is the code of the question. We have declared two variables, answer and count, globally, such that it can be accessed by all of the functions, and if there is no root, we have to return 0. Then we have called for the user defined function solve root k, and we have to finally return the answer. In solve root k, it is a void type, and if there is no root, simply we have to return. We have to first traverse the leftmost part and reach the leftmost node of the tree, and this recursive step would help us to do that. And during the backtracking process, if there is, we have to increase the count, and if the count becomes equal to k, then we have that answer would become equal to root value, and we have to simply return. And if it is not found, it would be found, because we have to find the kth smallest element, so it would be found in the leftmost left subtree of the root. And as we have seen earlier, if this is the root node, and if any of its left subtree, this would help us to travel the right part of the left subtree, and finally the answer is returned. Thank you.